The question is, if x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3, I have to calculate the value of this given expression. So सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा? I will rationalize my x. So this is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So after rationalizing, it will become 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3, which will become equal to 2 minus root. So my value of x will be 2 minus root 3. Now this given expression, okay, before that, what I will do here is, now x is equal to 2 minus root 3. So what I will do here is, x minus 2 will be equal to minus root 3. दोनों तरफ अगर मैं स्क्वायर करके ऐड कर दूं, so x minus 2 whole square will be equal to minus root 3 whole square. So it will give me x square plus 4 minus 4x is equal to 3. Now it will give me x square minus 4x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay? This equation will be my equation number first. From here I can also write x square is equal to 4x minus 1. Let it be equation number 2. Now what I will do, see, my equation was x cube minus x square plus 11x minus 11x plus 3. So let it be px. So this px I can also write in the form of px is equal to x into x square minus x square minus 11x plus 3. लिख सकता हूँ, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. There is no problem here. x square की जगह पे मैं I will put 4x minus 1. So this will be x into 4x minus 1 from equation number 2 minus 4x minus 1 minus 11x plus 3. So this will be equal to 4x square minus x minus 4x plus 1 minus 11x plus 3. So this will further become equal to 4x square minus 16x plus 4. 4 को मैं यहाँ कॉमन ले लूंगा. So this will be x square minus 4x plus 1. Now from my equation number 1, I know that value of this expression is 0. So my px will become 4 into 0, which is equal to 0. So this is how you were supposed to solve this question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से if x is equal to 3 minus root 8, that gives me 1 upon x will be equal to 3 plus root 8. Fine, no issue about it. Now x cube plus 1 upon x cube, after reading algebraic identities, what you will come to know that x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x plus 1 upon x multiplied by x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. अब now x plus 1 upon x की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है? This is equal to 3 minus root 8 plus 3 plus root 8, which is equal to 6. And x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है? This is equal to x plus 1 upon x का whole square minus 2, which is equal to 6 square minus 2, which is equal to 34. So my required expression will be equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube will be equal to 6 into x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू कितनी आई थी? 34. 34 minus 1, which is equal to 6 into 33, which is equal to 180 plus 18, that is equal to 198. So this is how you were supposed to solve this question. Question number 3, if root 5 is equal to 2.236 and root 2 is equal to 1.414, I have to calculate the value of this expression. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इस एक्सप्रेशन को इंडिविजुअली रेशनलाइज करने की बजाय हम इनको एलसीएम लेके इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. सो व्हाट माय एक्सप्रेशन विल बिकम 3 into root 5 minus root 2 plus 4 into root 5 plus root 2 divided by denominator will become root 5 plus root 2 multiplied by root 5 minus root 2. So solving further, my question will become 3 root 5 minus 3 root 2 plus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will be equal to 7 root 5 and 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will be equal to root 2 and root 5 whole square minus 2 whole root 2 whole square will be equal to 3. Now solving, putting the values, what I will get, 7 into 2.236 plus 1.414 divided by 3, which is equal to 17.066 divided by 3, which is equal to 5.687. So this is how you were required to solve this question. Question number 4. If x equal to root 2 minus 1, then I have to calculate the value of x minus 1 upon x. तो सबसे पहले 1 upon x कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर x minus 1 upon x कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. 1 upon x कैलकुलेट करने के लिए 1 upon x will be equal to 1 upon root 2 minus 1. रेशनलाइज जब हम करेंगे तो रूट 2 प्लस 1 से हम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में डिवाइड कर दे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो दिस विल फाइनली रिड्यूस टू रूट 2 प्लस 1 divided by root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. Its value will be 1. So this will be root 2 plus 1. Now x minus 1 upon x will be equal to root 2 minus 1 minus of root 2 plus 1, which is equal to root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1. Root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So this will be minus of 2. So this is how you were required to solve this question. Question number 5. If x equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2, so I have to calculate the value of x plus 1 upon x. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इस x को रेशनलाइज करेंगे. So after rationalizing, what I will get here is root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 into root 5 divided by root 5 whole square minus 2 whole square. So this will become 9 minus 4 root 5. So 1 upon x will become 9 plus 4 root 5. 1 upon x will become, rationalize कर देंगे, so it will become 9 plus 4 root 5. Now x plus 1 upon x की जो value आएगी, x plus 1 upon x की जो value आएगी, that will be 9 minus 4 root 5 plus 9 plus 4 root 5, which is equal to 18. So this is how you were supposed to solve this question. Next question is 25 raised to the power x minus 1 minus equal to 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100. Then I have to calculate the value of x. इस क्वेश्चन को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमने जो कंसेप्ट यूज किया था, that was a raised to the power m minus n is equal to a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. This is what we had used. और उसके बाद अपन ने क्या किया था कि सारे x वाले टर्म्स को हम इक्वेशन के राइट हैंड साइड में लेकर आ गए थे, और ये जो 100 है इसको हम इक्वेशन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेकर आ गए थे. So 100 was equal to 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 minus 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2. Now what I have done here is I have used this a raised to the power m minus n wala formula, and I have written 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 as 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5, and 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2 को मैंने लिख दिया 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 square. अगर मैं यहां पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन का यूज करूं, सो दिस विल बिकम 5 रेज टू द पावर 2x को मैंने कॉमन ले लिया और एलसीएम 5 हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी 5 into 5 रेज टू द पावर 2x minus 5 raised to the power 2x. So this will become 5 raised to the power 2x into 5 minus 1. So now this will become 5 raised to the power 2x into 5 minus 1 की वैल्यू आई थी 4 divided by 25. So now what I am getting here is 4 से मैं इस 100 को कैंसिल करूंगा, so this will become 25. So this will become 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 25 into 25. Therefore 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. That gives me 2x equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. This is how you were required to solve this question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे भी हम लोग वही कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे. सबसे पहले अपन क्या करेंगे, दिस एक्सप्रेशन आई विल सिंप्लीफाई इट एंड आई विल राइट इट एज 16 into 2 raised to the power n into 2 minus 4 into 2 raised to the power n divided by 16 into 2 raised to the power n into 2 square minus 2 into 2 raised to the power n into 2 square. Simplifying further, first of all what I will do is I will take 2 raised to the power n as common in both numerator and denominator and I will cancel it out. So it will be 2 raised to the power n into 16 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2 raised to the power n into 16 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 square. So it will become 2 raised to the power n and 2 raised to the power n will get cancelled. So it will become 28 divided by 64 minus 8, which is equal to 28 divided by 56, which is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is how you were required to solve this question. Now according to this question, this is also a very good question. यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे, x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. ये एक आइडेंटिटी हम यूज करेंगे जो आइडेंटिटी हम पढ़ के आए हुए हैं. So मुझे दिया क्या है, x to the power minus 1 upon x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 plus x to the power minus 1 divided by x to the power minus 1 minus y to the power minus 1 is equal to 2y square upon y square minus x square. So what I will do first of all is I will write x to the power minus 1 as x to the power x. So my first fraction will become 1 upon x divided by 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, plus my second expression will become 1 upon x divided by 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. Simplifying further, what I will get, 1 upon x multiplied by y plus x upon xy, कुछ नहीं किया, एलसीएम ले लिया, plus 1 upon x multiplied by y minus x divided by xy. This x and this x will get cancelled, and here this x and this x will get cancelled. So my fraction will become 1 upon y plus x upon y plus 1 upon y minus x upon y. So this will be y upon y plus x plus y upon y minus x. Now solving further, what I am going to get here is y into y minus x plus y into y plus x. Solve करेंगे अगर थोड़ा सा, so it will be y square minus xy plus y square plus xy divided by y square minus x square. Solving, it will become 2y square upon y square minus x square. So this is how you were supposed to solve this. Question number 9. xy divided by ab is equal to 0.xy dot 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 or is equal to 0.xy bar. तो मुझे पता करना है कि xy इस ab की वैल्यू क्या है. इस क्वेश्चन को इन्होंने बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टर्म्स में लिखा है, तो आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं. बेसिकली व्हाट दे वांट टू नो इज, जब आप 0.xy बार को p अपॉन q के फॉर्म में लिखोगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ q. q विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट. जब हम लोग नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ रहे थे, मैंने आपको डायरेक्टली बताया था कि जब दो डिजिट्स का रिपीटिशन हो, इन दैट केस द डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल टू 99. नहीं समझ में आया, नहीं याद आया, तो भी 1 मिनट में कर सकते हैं, 30 सेकेंड्स में कर सकते हैं. लेट c इज इक्वल टू 0.xy बार, देयरफॉर 100c विल बी इक्वल टू xy इंटू xy बार. इक्वेशन सेकेंड माइनस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कर दीजिए, you will get 99c is equal to xy और c is equal to xy upon 99. और इसको अगर आप ab के फॉर्म में लिखो, xy upon ab will be equal to xy upon 99. कंपेयर कर दो So AB will be equal to 99. So this is how you were supposed to solve this question. The answer of this question will be option number C, which is equal to 99. इस क्वेश्चन को करने का एक और तरीका है, that is related to geometric progression, but that I will not tell you. ओके वो अपन बाद में करेंगे जब आप 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आ जाओगे, तब हम उस टॉपिक को पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गुड बाय.